What's up, guys? We're back in the garage again today, and I don't know, probably hard to tell, but I'm actually pretty excited because the first of the new parts for the Subaru started to show up, and I haven't opened it yet, so I just wanted to do a bit of an unboxing for you guys today. But before I get into it, I just want to say thanks to Aaron at Boost Barn for making it super easy to spend all my hard-earned money, and I think that's going to be where I'm going to be getting all the parts for the Subaru build. So yeah, let's get into it and let's open this thing up. So there it is, the Tomei unequal length header for the EJ25. And as you can see, it comes with Tomei's heat wrap, some metal zip ties, all the hardware that you're going to need, of course some stickers, and this one includes a 3-volt up pipe. So the reason I went with the unequal length instead of upgrading to an equal length header is because I'm not really chasing big power. I'm not going for outright horsepower goals or anything like that, and I really didn't want to give up the classic boxer sound. So with the benefits of an equal length header, dissipating heat and all that stuff, I didn't really find that beneficial because at the end of the day, I'm not really tracking the car. It's not really going to be in situations where it's going to get that hot, so I'm not worried about cylinders getting too hot or anything like that. So that's why I went with the unequal length, and yeah, just to keep that classic boxer sound. So this being my first Tomei product and the first piece I've seen in person, looking at these welds, it's like absolutely beautiful. Just like everybody says when they open up a Tomei product, these welds are like a work of art. It's absolutely perfect. Well guys, that's just a quick unboxing of the Tomei unequal length header. I still have 2 more parts on order, and then I'm going to start installing this stuff. The other stuff, it just makes sense to install while the header's off, and yeah, those should be here pretty soon. And we should have a couple more unboxing videos pretty soon here, and some install videos following those shortly. So anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, it really helps me out. And also follow me on Instagram for other updates that I might not post on YouTube. But yeah, thanks.